And dun, 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 here it is. Oh my god, this is so nice. Aww. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Rose and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do unboxing video, and this is the Louis Vuitton bag, Pochette Métis. So yes, let's take it out in the paper bag. So this is the outside, guys, of the box. Yan, you can see Louis Vuitton, and there's a ribbon here, and there's like a card. Says Louis Vuitton as well. Let's open it. So yes, it's just a small card, guys. It's just a small card, and we'll just see. Okay, parang it's a small envelope here. Probably you can put a message here if you're going to give it as a gift. Oh yeah, but nothing inside. So yeah, not. Oh yes, okay. And so yan, nasa ano pa siya, the box. And we open it. And dun, 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 here it is. So it's in the dust bag. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's my first time to see it, guys, in person. So ayan. So this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis in monogram print. Yeah, and it has a gold color hardware. So this is the gold color hardware. And it says here as well, there's like Louis Vuitton Paris. Yeah. And it has S-lock closure. So if you press that one, it's gonna open. And inside, it has the strap, which is in monogram print as well. And it has 3 compartments. So it's 1, 2, and there is a small one here. Yeah, and there's this stamping here as well, Louis Vuitton. And the smell, it's okay, guys. At the back of it, there is a zip pocket, and yes, so we'll open it, and it's good for storing phone. Example, this is my phone, so I'm just gonna put it here. So it's just gonna slide down, which I like this feature of the bag. And the side is like this, and this is like the handle. This is the handle, and it has a natural cowhide trim. So this one here, and here as well, it says Louis Vuitton. Yeah, and this is the D-ring. So there, it's where you can put the strap. So yeah, so the strap, yeah, it has a gold color hardware. It has a gold color hardware, the strap, as you can see, and there's like Louis Vuitton there as well. And yeah, and here the holes, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes here. So this is the bag, guys. So there is still like a plastic cover, plastic coating or something, just to protect the gold hardware. Yeah. So this is the bag. So when you put it back, you have to, like, there's a hole here, and then you just put it, put it, and then when you open it, just press this two stuff here. And yeah, so far I like it, guys. I like it because it is versatile. You can wear it in casual look, and you can wear it on, you know, formal clothes or formal look. Yeah. Well, we'll just have a closer look of the bag. This is the side. This is the back, the handle. Yeah, and the inside, it has monogram print as well. So yes, so you can wear it like that as a crossbody, and you can wear it as here as well, sling bag. You can wear it as a sling bag. And yes, so far overall, I'm so happy to have this bag. And yes, this is it. And yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot, there's like the receipt here. There's a receipt here, and yeah, it's a receipt. Okay. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention about the date code. So you can see the date code at the back, you know, in the zipper, at the back of the zipper, and then you just open it here, and you can see like there's a small that's where the date code is. It's so ayan, guys, I think that should be all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.